Watch me install the wig, you will see how shook I am because of how well it melts into my skin. Literally, like, look, I'm amazed. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaylin if you're new, and as you see by the title, I am back with another hair video. I know it's been some time, but I'm back and I can't wait to get into this video to tell you guys all about this UNice hair that I am wearing. Thank you UNice for sending me this hair. Now, quick disclaimer, this is not the color that the wig came in. I kind of messed up the wig because I was trying to do too much. I just kind of wanted it to have a darker tone, but one thing led to another, so this is what we ended up with, which I'm not too crazy about, but it works. Ignore the hair color and the highlights. I know they're not the best, but we're not here for that. We're here for the lace, so let's get into it. The wig came in a silk bag, a pretty silk bag, which is kind of weird for UNice because they usually send their wigs in like a box, but I'm not complaining. The silk bag is cute. When I'm done with it, I can just put the wig back in there. So it came in a silk bag with another mini little bag with a whole bunch of goodies in there. And as you can see, the wig is a lot, like, I don't know, maybe it was just me. It's very brassy to me. The color, I just wanted something a little bit more toned down. And by the way, if it's loud, it's because the air is on, so, oh, here we go, now it's quiet. Okay, so it's brassy to me, but I wanted something a little bit more toned down, so I tried to tone it down. I tried to do the highlights myself again, and it was a total mess. So this is what we were left with, and that's the end of that. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig, which means that there's a 5-inch parting space, so it goes 5 inches back and it's 5 inches this way, so from one eyebrow to the other eyebrow. So that means you can part it here, basically anywhere to achieve a side part, or maybe 2 braids or anything like that. This wig does promote itself as HD, which I was a little skeptical about, but I think that it is like on the HD scale. I never had like a real HD before besides this one. I think that it is really good. It's a nice thin material. It blends very well, and you can even wear it glueless without any foundation on it. So it's got my vote for HD lace. Inside the goodie bag, there was a wig grip, which I've never used the wig grip before. So in this video, I'll also be showing you guys how I attempt to use the wig grip for a glueless install. And you can even wear it without the wig grip. You can purchase this wig off of Amazon. I think I covered all the specs. Oh, it is 16 inches. If you guys would like to see me install this video, make sure you keep on watching. Before we get into the video, I did bleach the knots and do further plucking and cut the lace all off camera. So there's plenty of videos if you want to see people do that, and they show you all kinds of tips and tricks. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So like I mentioned before, this was my first time doing a wig grip anything. I personally don't think that I would wear the wig grip just because, well, with a 5x5 lace closure, just because the lace is see-through all the way and you can see the band right on the sides or the temples of your head. So it's your preference. So my camera dies at the end and I don't get to show you guys the second time I installed the wig. As you can see, in the first time, the baby hairs are more dramatic, more extra. So the second time I installed the wig, I just kind of did a little bit here and there and left it like that. So thank you guys for watching this video all the way till the end. If you are interested in this wig, or if you want to go and check this wig out, please be sure to check out my description box. The link to the wig is down there. Also, there is a coupon code so that you can save some coins on your next purchase. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.